Good morning. Hope you guys are doing well. Thanks again for tuning in. Today is going to be a little different. We're not going to be doing a cooking show today. Today is going to be a review. And as far as the review, it will be on two different companies. These two companies will be a performance parts company for vehicles, and the other one is a body shop. As far as the body shop, that was Fluid Motor Union out of Naperville, Illinois. I have nothing but high praise for them. There was one scenario that I was disappointed with, but it was during the height of COVID, and it wasn't a direct correlation to them. It's just as far as the time frame that it took. And the second one is Fabspeed. Fabspeed is the manufacturer of the aftermarket parts, and what we're going to hear today is we're going to get a glimpse as far as what the sound of the vehicle is after the modifications have been done. So without further ado, we'll get on with the video. So what you're gonna see first is the vehicle backing out of a garage, and this is the OEM exhaust, all standard parts. So you'll get a glimpse, or you'll be able to see or hear what the vehicle sounds like from stock. Now the second video, or the second part of this video, is the same scenario, the car backing out of the garage, but it has now been completely redone by Fluid Motor Union with using the Fabspeed complete 700 kit. And after the fact, from the completion, the car actually ended up with 800 horsepower and 700 pounds of torque. Hope you enjoy. It sounds much better. And once again, I just want to thank Fabspeed and Fluid Motor Union for doing what they did. Thanks.